can see, I'm working on my drone. I'm putting new ESCs on it. I really don't want to video the whole process because trust me, it's gonna be a stop and go process. So this is what we're looking at now. I took off the old motor ESCs and I'm putting on new ESCs and brand new motors on my 3S all the way around.
My brother from another mother. My brother, Henry Jackson. We finna do this. But it ain't doing it. There they go. Hot damn. I was about to have a heart attack. Yeah, she working. Yeah, for real, 'cause they been over here looking at me too. Oh yeah, I'm FPVing again. Just walk up on it and get some footage of it. Ooh, that wind ain't no joke. She back in action. All you guys you gotta do is hold that camera in this direction. That's it. I don't want to get too far. I'm gonna give you some good footage of it. Yeah. I love that jet sound. Oh yeah, that's what Woo, yeah, baby. Now you finna get us a nice little punch and see what she'll do. 3S, nice. That's a good feeling right there, boy. I built this one, Henry. Yeah. She ready, boy. She said, I want you to put them goggles on, daddy. Woo, that was scary, boy. Ooh, that was scary, boy.
Bring it over here to me.
Woo, trying to get him going. Woo, he's trying to get up and go. All right.